welcome back to my channel. This is out of box video. I recently bought OnePlus Nord CE phone and it's really amazing. So I just unboxed it. The cover is really nice. While it has so many features, its processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G and front camera is 16 megapixel while rear is 64 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, which is really amazing. It has three cameras and it has 6 GB or 8 GB RAM. You can buy the variations, and it's the phone which I bought has 128 storage. Its battery capacity is really nice, and it has Android 11. It also comes in 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. These are some of the pictures I took from the phone.